answer type questions. Question 1. What was the childhood incident that made Douglas afraid of water? 2023.
बचपन की वह कौन सी घटना थी जिससे डगलस को पानी का डर लगने लगा था?
Answer. The childhood incident that made Douglas afraid of water occurred when he was 3 or 4 years old at a beach in California. A strong wave knocked Douglas down and he was buried in water. Question 2. What did Douglas experience when he went down to the bottom of the pool for the first time?
पहली बार पूल की गहराई में जाने पर डगलस ने क्या अनुभव किया?
Answer. As Douglas went down to the bottom of the pool for the first time, he felt the way down the pool to be very long and his lungs were ready to burst. He summoned all his strength and jumped up, but could not reach the surface and began to sink again. Question 3. What did the author think when he was drowning in deep water? 2023.
जब लेखक गहरे पानी में डूब रहा था उसने क्या सोचा था?
Answer. When Douglas was thrown into the deep water of the pool, he was terrified. He knew that he was going to drown as he didn't know to swim. So he thought of a strategy to save himself. He planned that he would make a big jump when his feet would touch the bottom. Question 4. Why did Douglas fail to come to the surface of the pool as he hoped to?
डगलस आशा के अनुरूप सतह पर आने में विफल क्यों रहा था?
Answer. When Douglas was drowning in the swimming pool, he tried to come to the surface of the pool but failed because he was paralyzed with fear and could not move his limbs. He felt that he would die. Question 5. How did Douglas get rescued when he was thrown in the pool?
जब डगलस को पात में फेंका गया तो उसे कैसे कचाला गया?
Answer. The narrator does not mention this. When he regained consciousness, he was vomiting while lying on his stomach beside the pool. Apparently, he had been rescued by someone. Question 6. What did Roosevelt say about the fear of death?
सवेल ने मृत्यु के भय के बारे में क्या कहा था?
Answer. The American President, Franklin D. Roosevelt said the quote, "All we have to fear is fear itself." This means that it is only the fear of consequences which prevents us from taking an action and hampers our progress. Question 7. What did the instructor do to train Douglas? Praisixaka ni Dagalasa ko praisixita Karen Kalai Starkiyata. Answer. To train Douglas, the instructor made him shed his initial fear of water by making him crouch as a pool suspended by a rope attached through a pulley to his boyd. This went on for 3 months. Then Douglas was taught to exhale underwater and ruin his nose above water and inhale. Then Douglas was made to kick with his legs until these were relaxed. Finally, after 7 months, the instructor told him to swim the length of the pool. Question 8. Which 2 incidents in Douglas' early life made him scared of water?
डगलस के शुजाती वन में किन 2 धाराओं ने उसे पानी से हरा दिया?
Answer. The first incident occurred when he was 3 or 4 years old at a beach in California. A strong wave knocked Douglas down and he was buried in water. The next incident occurred at the YMCA pool when he was 10 or 11. A big bully of a boy tossed him into the deep end of the wood. He went down to the bottom and almost drowned in the pool. Long answer type questions. Question 1. What happened at the YMCA swimming pool which instilled fear of water in Douglas' mind? Y. Ema. C. E.
पूल में क्या हुआ? किसने के दिमाग में पानी का कर बैठा दिया?
Answer. When Douglas was learning swimming at the YMCA pool at the age of 2 or 11, one day while sitting beside the pool waiting for other people to meet, a bully boy picked him up and threw him into the deep end of the pool. As Douglas realized that he may drown, he made 3 up to the water surface, but failed and fell unconscious. Ultimately, he was rescued by someone. But this episode in his life reinforced the fear of water in Douglas' mind, which B had felt when, at the age of 3 or 4, he had been completely swamped by wave at the seaside in California. His father held on to him at that time to save him from drowning, but at the YMCA pool there was nobody. Question 2. Describe Douglas's struggle at the pool. What did he do to save his life?
पूल में डगलस के संघर्ष का वर्णन कीजिए। उसने अपनी जान बचाने के लिए क्या किया?
Or how did Douglas struggle at the pool? What strategy did he adopt to save his life?
अथवा डगलस ने पूल में किस प्रकार संघर्ष किया था? उसने अपना जीवन बचाने के लिए क्या रणनीति अपनाई थी?
Answer. When Douglas was thrown into the water by a big bruiser, initially he was shocked and frightened. He went deep into the water in the same posture in which he was sitting. He was terrified and panic-stricken. He kept his presence of mind and planned to make a big jump the moment his feet touched the bottom and to spring to the surface like a cork. But unfortunately nothing significant happened. He panicked again and started flailing his arms to get hold of something when he started going down again. All his attempts to get to the surface failed, and at the end he felt suffocated and paralyzed. Terrified, he became unconscious. Question 3. What handicap stayed with Douglas? For what did he do to resolve it from the life? A long time. Agalasa K Satalam Sapamataka Kauna Si Aksamata Rahi Thi.
उसने उसे अपने जीवन से हटाने के लिए क्या किया था?
Answer. The handicap that affected Douglas for a long time was his fear of water. To get rid of it, Douglas engaged an instructor under whom he practiced 5 days a week, an hour each day. The instructor tied Douglas with a rope to help him overcome his fear. Next, he taught Douglas to exhale underwater and inhale by raising his nose. He was made to kick with his legs at the side of the pool to build up stamina. Thereafter, he practiced on his own by swimming across various lakes, finally overcoming his fear. Question 4. What made Douglas decide to overcome his fear of water?
डगलस को किस चीज ने हार को काबू पाने के लिए प्रेरित किया था?
Answer. Douglas regretted being deprived of enjoying water-based activities and sports like canoeing, boating, fishing and swimming. His ardent wish to enjoy such activities and regain his lost confidence while staying in water made him decide to overcome his fear of water. To do so, Douglas engaged an instructor under whom he practiced 5 days a week, an hour each day. The instructor tied Douglas with a rope to help him overcome his fear. Next, he taught Douglas to exhale underwater and inhale by raising his nose. He was made to kick with his legs at the side of the pool to build up stamina. Thereafter, he practiced on his own by swimming across various lakes, finally overcoming his fear. Question 5. How did Douglas succeed in overcoming his fear of water?
डगलस किस प्रकार अपने पानी के डर पर काबू पाने में कामयाब हुआ था?
Answer. To overcome his fear of water, Douglas hired an instructor under whom he practiced 5 days a week, an hour each day. The instructor tied Douglas with a rope suspended from a pulley to help him overcome his fear. However, every time when the instructor loosened his grip, Douglas' fear returned. It took him 3 months to overcome it. Next, the instructor taught Douglas to exhale underwater and inhale by raising his nose. He was made to kick with his legs at the side of the pool to build up stamina. Thus, Douglas spent 6 months with the instructor from October to April. Thereafter, he practiced on his own by swimming across various lakes, finally overcoming his fear.
वीडियो को लाइक करें और चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू।